Hi friends, today I'm sharing you the table holder stand. This is an adjustable table mount for iPads, flexible brackets, long swing arm, clamp clip, compatible with iPhones, Samsung Kindle Fire or any phones and tablets. So you can see the process how we can install this, and I'm just trying to open the box and show you the parts and the adjustments. So this is the main stand, and you can see this have the flexible like an arm, easy to fold and storage. Other accessories to make it up. This is the flexible cup where you can hold any tablet and phones. So as you can see that this have a flexible spring base and adjustment that you can fold it, and this can also be used as in arms, and this is for putting that mobile case and the holder. You can see the build quality and the flexibility. So these are like the different handles. I will show like how we can put this mobile holder or the tablet holder. So you have to just loosen it and then push it in that ball and tighten it. That's how you can just fix it. And you can see that from both sides this is flexible, so you can put some sizes. So overall this is a 180-degree movement, and then you can put this on the table or anywhere, and then put this on the top of it. And this is the first the arm with the spring is like 13.2 inches. And you can see like as you can rotate this, and this will open up that space for the tablet portion. And this is max is 2.75 inches, so you can put it in any table that is maximum like 2.5 to 2.75 inches wide. And it fits 4-inch like 11-inch phones and tablets, which can be weigh up to like 1.1 lb, not more than that. So this is its total weight capacity, and it can be stretch up to 5.31 to 8.86 inches. So yeah, so this can be stretched up to 8.86 inches in total, and then this table one goes up to like 2.75. So overall I think it's a good holder to put all your tablets and phones. You can see like how this is fixed to this table, and you can rotate it 360 with that. And this is the mobile and the tablet holder on the top of it, so you can put any mobile or tablet and you can rotate. And this is the arms that you can rotate. So all good.